Feeling Florence. I got a box. Another box. I love box cutters. That means you're opening stuff. This, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, is the giveaway on Hobo Nichol's barbecue hot seat the week Malcom Reed was there and gave away 2 t-shirts. I was a lucky winner. Get that leprechaun back in the other room. I'm trying to do. Anyway, I was the lucky winner. One of them. So I was to get a t-shirt, and here it is. What does it say? We dig on swine. Killer Hogs Southern Style Barbecue. Hot dang. Check it out. Looks like a dang bedspread to go on me. I might have to wash it and dry it a couple times to get that sucker shrunk down a little bit. I'm so small. Thank you, Hobo Nichol, Kris. Thank you, Malcom Reed at Killer Hogs, How to BBQ Right. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, Janet, when she got this box and brought it in the house, she said, this thing's heavy. I said, well, I'm looking for a t-shirt. She said, no, this is heavier than a t-shirt. And I said, I bet I know what is put in that box with that t-shirt. Old Malcom. Look at there what he did. Killer Hogs vinegar sauce. You know, I'm from South Carolina. I like that vinegar-based sauce. The barbecue sauce. That is good stuff right there. I've had it bunches of times now. That is just winner chicken dinner. Then, hot barbecue rub. I hadn't tried this one. Looking forward to that. AP rub, yep, all-purpose rub, and the barbecue rub. I got some of this right now. I love all that. I know everybody else does too. Again, thank you, Malcom, for going on Kris's show, The Hot Seat. We enjoyed all your answers and all about your, you know, how you got going and what you've been doing, and you just a #1 channel for thousands of weekend backyard barbecuers. So thanks for the shirt. I'll sure wear it when I'm doing ribs, which is gonna be soon, because I promised the crew from the kitchen remodel I would do them some ribs before they got done. So I'm gonna be wearing that shirt. It might look like a bedspread on me, but I'm going to be wearing it. I might have to tie it in a knot. Anyway, just want to show that to you. Thank you, Kris. Thank you, Malcom. Feeling Florence. We'll see you soon. I'll be showing you that kitchen, too. I know I've been promising, but it's coming. See you later.